Hi YouTube. Uh, Welcome back to my channel. This is Mike again. I'm here with some of my Hot Wheel trucks from my collection. These were part of like the adult series for more like for the adult collector. Um, these are 1958 Chevy Apache trucks. Let's take a look at this one right here. Now this originally came in a set where it came with a trailer and a boat. It was a race boat that was on it, and it was called Smoking Water Series. Let's look at the yellow one. The yellow one's nice, has nice chrome rims on it. As you can see, the hood opens up on these trucks. And they put a lot of detail into them, as you can see. And then here's one mobile series. That's pretty cool. And then here's one with the classic woodpecker look. I would say a greenish gold with red flames. Pretty cool. And then here's a blue one, a powder blue one. Looks pretty good. Yeah, so these trucks I really liked them when I first started collecting Hot Wheels. I've had these for quite a while. So yeah, let's check them out more. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos, a lot of Hot Wheel videos, and you guys know I do other hobbies. So don't forget, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you later.